Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I will show you how to control the size of points in a scatter plot in the R programming language. So if you want to draw a basic plot in the R programming language with the default specifications, then you can use the plot function, as you can see in line 4 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that a scatter plot appears at the bottom right of RStudio, which is showing our numeric values that we have inserted into the scatter plot. Now let's assume that you want to increase the size of these points in the scatter plot. Then you can apply the plot function, and within the plot function you would have to specify the CEX argument to be a larger number. So in this example I'm using the value 3 for the CEX argument. So if you run this line of code, you will see that the size of the points in our scatter plot is increased. Now you could also use different values for the CEX argument, and all you have to remember is that the larger the value gets, the larger are the points in the scatter plot. So let's assume you want to decrease the size of the points in the scatter plot. Then you could use a smaller number, for instance 0.1. And now you can see that the points of our scatter plot are very small. Yeah, so this is basically how to control the size of points in a scatter plot in the R programming language. However, if you want to learn more on the plotting of data in R, then you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have published many tutorials on the plotting of data in R. And I have also published a tutorial which is explaining the R programming code of this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video. Furthermore, if you have liked this video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.